Worldpackers is a platform that connects travelers like you to hosts all around the world, willing to offer you accommodation and life-changing experiences in exchange for some work. You get to experience cultural immersion, practice new languages, and you get to make a positive impact on our world, all while traveling. I'm going to go through so much in this video, so please feel free to use the YouTube chapter markers to jump ahead. Now let's go. Greetings, Globetrotters. My name is Meg, and I'm here today to tell you all about Worldpackers. Okay, so how does Worldpackers work? Worldpackers is a platform that connects travelers like you to hosts all around the world. Every host is going to offer you something different, and every host is going to expect something different from you. So it's really important to do your research and decide what you want to apply for. There are thousands of opportunities in over 140 countries, so you are definitely not short in opportunity. You can work on a farm, in a community, an eco-village, NGO, permaculture, nonprofit school, hostels, homestays, guest house, camping, inn, and holistic centers. You can look at each individual role and read through all the specifics. The specifics include what's expected of you, as in how many hours a week. Sometimes you're staying in a tent, sometimes you get a private room. A lot of times you are in a shared room with other volunteers. So this is all information that can be found right on the Worldpackers website on each individual listing. While searching for your volunteer opportunities, there are dozens of filters you can use. You can search by destination, the program type, highlights, purpose of the trip, the time you want to be traveling, what you want to do to work for them, the skills you have, the host type, or the style. This host in Spain is looking for a yoga instructor. You get 2 days off per week, you get your own private room, you get breakfast, lunch, and dinner, free laundry, yoga classes, holistic therapies. They are looking for someone to stay at least 2 weeks and up to 12 weeks. Here, we get to explore all the reviews from other travelers who have done this experience. As you can see, this one seems to be very popular. Here we get to explore photography taken by other volunteers who have come here to do this experience. This looks stunning. Here we get to learn a little bit more about the host. Here we can explore where it is in Spain. And all you have to do is hit apply now. It's really simple. All you have to do is sign up on their website. There's multiple plans available to you as a traveler. So I, for instance, am a solo traveler, but you can also register as a pair if you're going to travel with a partner or a friend. All you need to do is register on the website and pay a membership fee that lasts you an entire year. Worldpackers is honestly such a good value. A Worldpackers yearly premium membership actually costs less than about 3 nights in your average hostel. That's definitely worth it to me. Many experiences also offer bonuses such as free meals or yoga lessons or dance classes or anything. Like there's so many things to choose from. It's really endless, the amount of opportunity that there is. You have complete control over what you apply to and what you travel to. So pick your plan, apply, and start your journey. You can also use the code MEGGYGOES for a $10 discount on your membership fee. So who can join Worldpackers? Worldpackers is open to everyone over the age of 18, anywhere around the world, as long as you have a willingness to travel and excitement for volunteering. You can travel solo or with a partner or a friend. You are responsible for all of the documents needed to enter another country and arrive at your destination. Visas, documentation, insurance, and vaccinations, for example. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience in Nashville. I flew to Nashville by myself and stayed at a hostel. The hostel wanted me to do photography and video for promotion of the hostel. So I got to stay there for free for 3 days. I got to work my own hours. I got to choose when I was doing my photography work. And then when I left, I was able to provide them with all the images that I shot. This is a win-win for travelers and hosts. I got a free place to stay in a really, really fun city, and they got a bunch of content to put on their social media. This allowed me to meet so many other like-minded travelers. I met so many friends on that trip. I had such a great time, even though I was traveling by myself. The best thing about traveling with Worldpackers is the peace of mind. They offer insurance to all their travelers in case things aren't working out. What is Worldpackers insurance? If you ever need to end a volunteer experience early because a host isn't honoring your agreement, our support team will help you to find a new host to continue your trip. Worldpackers also has entire courses that will teach you how to deal with these kinds of situations. Rest assured, you'll never be alone. When you become a Worldpackers member, you also get access to the Academy. There are hundreds of lessons in the Worldpackers Academy to help you be successful as a traveler and volunteer. There is also a community blog. This will help you plan your trip, decide what destination you'd like, and more importantly, meet with other Worldpackers. There's articles for absolutely everything you could imagine. Becoming a member gives you access to all of these great resources. You'll also be joining a wonderful community of thousands of worldwide travelers who prefer to travel this way. It's a really cost-effective way to travel, it's such a good way to meet people, and it's a really fun way to give back to the world. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.